Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Welcome to another quick and easy meal. So for today guys, it's Saturday night and we are having takeout from where? Panda Express. So Quick and Easy Meals is an open collaboration. It's hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. The hosts are Simply Grace Lifestyle, myself, Jean Home Decor, and more. And sometimes we have guests that join us on Quick and Easy Meals. So click on that playlist and see perhaps who might be joining us and see what they have cooking up for you today for Quick and Easy Meals. So what I have here today is some lo mein, super greens, spicy orange chicken. I have some teriyaki chicken, and there are a couple of egg rolls. And then I have a pomegranate lemonade. I guess that's what this is. And an egg roll. So this will be, I'll have this for dinner today and lunch tomorrow. Because that's quite a bit, guys. But I mean, you know, one thing I like about Panda Express is that you can at least get some veggies. It's better than going to a fast food spot. So I hope that you guys like what I have here. I don't know if you ever go to Panda Express, but like I said, at least you can get some veggies with your meal. Also, I forgot to say, did I say I have teriyaki chicken? That's what this is. So let me show you what my husband, what do you have?
Chicken and mushrooms, chicken with green beans, spring roll, and brown rice.
Right, but he also has an extra spring roll over there. So this is what we're having for a Saturday night special. This is what you do. It's hot, it's in the summertime, and sometimes we don't feel like cooking, but this is where we chose to go tonight. I hope you guys like what we have for dinner today. If you do, please give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family and friends of Jean Home Decor and More. Until the next one, bye-bye. Lunch for tomorrow. I'll put this over here.
Are you gonna go to church?